Welcome to Bisaya in Japan. We're gonna look at these two One Piece card game starter deck cards who have ladies covers. This one is the Yamato side. Got it for 550 yen. And we have the Uta for 490 yen. Alright. So as we can see here, this one is the starter deck number 11. While the Yamato is the starter deck number 9. Let's check the Yamato first. So guys, I'm not familiar with the One Piece card game actually. I just buy it for the art. But I know these ones are the Dawn cards. It's like the life in the game. So we have Yamato here. A leader card. Okay, there. A leader card there. Alright. And compared to the other cards, leader cards have a red color at the back, while the other cards, normal ones, have the blue ones. Okay, so Yamato. Oden, this one is Oden. Got two of those. Ace. Two of these as well. And the common and uncommon cards for Yamato for so this is what I'm talking about. I like the art here. So that's why I buy these One Piece card game cards for the art. Luffy. Now this one's also pretty cool. Get 4 of those. And then Yamato animal form. And the other Dawn cards. So I guess what we have here are these special cards with the foil. This one. Alrighty. Okay. Let's go to the Uta deck. I'm gonna put this on the side. Uta, the daughter of Shanks. Right. Put the Dawn cards here and go to the special cards. leader card. And as I mentioned, they have a red color at the back compared to the other cards. I can put that one there. There. All others are blue. Okay. So these are the 4 foil in this deck. 1, 2, and then 3, 4, plus the leader card, and that makes 5 if you include the lead card. So what makes this deck different is with the character cards, it has this strip of film, so it's like from the movie. Okay. 4 Usopp. You get 4 also of the Jinbei. 4 Tony Chopper. My favorite character, Trafalgar Law. Get 4 of those. Nico Robin. 4. And again with a strip of the film. The Terminator, Frankie. Yeah. So these ones are all common cards. Okay. Brooke. I guess if you are a fan of the film, then it's not bad getting this set just to include in your collection. Finally, you have Luffy. And I guess one of the most popular, if not the popular one, Zoro. Event cards. Alrighty, that's it. Bisaya in Japan.